In the dynamic landscape of construction, events, and emergency response, the need for versatile and mobile spaces is ever present. PortaCabins, also known as portable cabins or modular buildings, have emerged as a solution to this demand, offering a range of temporary structures for various purpose. At the heart of PortaCabin rental services is the concept of mobility and adaptability. These prefabricated structures are designed to be easily transported, assembled, and dismantled, making them ideal for temporary applications such as construction site offices, event venues, classrooms, health car. One of the key advantages of PortaCabin rental services is their flexibility. With a wide range of sizes, layouts, and configurations available, clients can choose the right PortaCabin to suit their specific needs and space requirements, from single units to complex modular complexes. PortaCabins call. Moreover, PortaCabin rental services offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional construction methods by leveraging prefabricated components and standardized designs. PortaCabins can be manufactured and deployed in a fraction of the time required for conventional building projects. These structures are constructed using high-quality materials and adhere to stringent industry standards and regulations. From robust steel frames to durable exterior cladding, PortaCabins are designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions, ensuring reliability and longevity. Furthermore, in the construction industry, PortaCabins serve as temporary site offices, meeting rooms, and accommodation facilities for project teams and contractors. In the events industry, PortaCabins are used as ticket